Ay, no. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting assistant. May gusto na pala ito. May facility.
Kinload nila, sir. Kinload.
Ayaw mo talaga ayaw mo
Design siya.
yung ambulance na. Deadline.
Design siya on her Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano no?
Supplement General Cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng mga media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Okay, double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General na nagsabi.
Ay, ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw
na,
ng hospital.
hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita
Hanggang
ng
lang, para makita ng camera.
Sige mo.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
Veterans lang. We're going to bring it to our veterans law. Considering that as requested, attorneys Veronica Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Rimulya. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Rimulya,
Yan din ang sabi nyo, tapos kinuha nyo ako kanina, dadalhin nyo ako sa correctional.
ma'am, hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SILG John B. Rimulya, transfer of Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physician during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG, John B. Rimulya. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't live in the assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness, like, maraming witness. Dito naman mo sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila
VP.
sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si BP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Padaan na, padaan na. Ay, alam na yun.
BP, baka ma'am, paano, ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang magalala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Nicole.
Ano ba, te?
Lalay. Sino? Bagay yun, guys. Nakalhook na. Okay.